Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a first name on VSCO. So, first of all you want to open the VSCO app, so just click on the VSCO icon on your screen. Then you want to go to your profile, which is this smiley face right here, and then you want to click edit below your profile title. So as you can see, this is my profile name, the title, the description, and also as you can see we can here find the first name and the last name. I have already set it, but if you are going to do this for the first time, it is all just these places are going to be empty, and that's it. So you just click, and then here you can edit your first name, and also it works all the same to every boxes here in this section. So I'm not going to change it, but after changing or setting your first name, you just want to click tick, and it is going to be saved. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!